Within the last 2 years, we have more and more watches which come from the customer for the restoration in different status. Sometimes watches are completely destroyed, and Patek Philippe is able today to remake spare parts, to refurbish completely the watch. The spare parts which has been used by the service is produced directly in the production area. That is the reason we are able to ensure that the quality at the production, but also at the service side, will be completely the same. Even for the machinery, today we are using tools which were used in the beginning of the last century, which is not produced anymore. And we are able, with some watchmaker, to do intervention which is not possible to do with new machine. I have a watchmaker who is doing pivoting, and he is able to remake a complete balanced staff, and the thickness of one of the pivots is less than 1 hair, which is not achievable with very modern machine. Even the watchmaking school today are not training young people to do this kind of job. This is also a commitment of Patek Philippe to really ensure that those craftsmanship will still be following, I will say, the next generation.